Hi friends, welcome. We'll develop one countdown timer by using ttkbootstrap Meter Widget. So here the user by using the mouse can set the timing and on start the countdown will show to till it reaches the 0 and says the time is over. This script we can integrate it with other applications also. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorials, and we are frequently doing that also. Let's start the script. We are in our Visual Studio Code. So this is a small script of around 40 lines of code. So let's first run it and see once how our countdown timer works. So here it is, the window. You can see this window, it is by default set at 33. By using mouse, I can change the value. So what I want it. Suppose let me just put it at 7 seconds. So once I click the start button, the countdown starts from 7 and it will continue till 0 second and it will show me that time is over. Here it is. I will show you how to download this and entire source code so you can to your system and you can modify it. Note this countdown is timer is can be set for a 1 minute or a 60-second duration. So this in 60 seconds, this covers a 360-degree or a full circle. So for that purpose, each segment is covers a 6-degree in angle. So that is why the width we have set it as 6. So it is 360 divided by 60. So each segment takes 1 second to travel. So that is the reason why we set the timer with the 60 different segments. So that is what you can see it here. You will see that strip thickness is 6, so it covers 6. Then this is the basic thickness of the radial dial, and it is interactive is true. In that it will take the input by using the mouse. We can drag it and give the inputs. Now let's see the script here. This is ttkbootstrap. We are importing the library, and here you can see the meter widget. We have placed it here, and below that a button is placed. This button on click, it calls the start countdown. Start countdown is there are two functions, start countdown and countdown. So here it is, the start countdown function it is, and it's first it sets the duration, it finds out, and amount used variable get it, it checks the what value the user has set it or default value whatever it is there, the radial value, the meter value it take it, then it convert into integer and duration is set. Then it is further checking. Suppose the user has clicked the start button without when the duration is 0. That is why this part is used. Then it countdown starts. Once the countdown starts, we receive the whatever the value of the meter. So that is comes in remaining time. And if this remaining time is greater than or equal to 0, that means the timer is not 0. It is still running. Then what happens? It checks whether the window is already open or in between the user may cancel or close the window also. Then it configures it, amount used, what is the remaining time, what it is every 1 second this value changes and it takes that data. Then subtext, the text whatever is written at the center of the meter is written here, how many seconds remaining with that. And then this one, this after function here you can see this is 1000 millisecond or 1 second duration. It calls the function itself, so it's a looped, it calls the function. So again the same process starts and the counter it reduced by 1. So the time remaining the second in second it reduced by 1. So then if it is, suppose in this first it checks the if condition, if it is greater than it is not 0, then it closes it, and the configuration it says that here time is over and the boot style changes. So this is the main two functions which operates this timer. And below that, as we have discussed, you can just change the theme. It's a dark theme, we have used it. So there are 18 themes. You can here is the list, you can see this theme and you can change the theme also, whatever you selected. So the entire look and feel you can change it. So the title, then the button, and that's all. So this is the way we can operate the timer. To download the source code and to understand the script, visit this page. This URL is there in the description, and you can scroll down, read the content here. It is all the part of the code is explained. Here you can copy the code to create the timer. And below that there is one more part is also there where we are using different color ranges. So based on the timer's value, or the while countdown, the color of the ring will change. So that is using the our boot style parameter. So that also it is explained here, and the full code you can download it from here. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and if you have any ideas, suggestions, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when you add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.